Hi, this is Chris Guld with Geeks On Tour, and this video is about setting up Google's family plan for sharing your storage allotment. Google gives every account 15 gigabytes of free storage, but what if you use that 15 gigabytes? And then what if your spouse or other family member is getting close to their 15 gigabytes as well? You might just be distressed to think that you both have to pay a minimum of $20 a year to get more storage. No, you don't. Only one of you has to pay that amount, and then you can share it with up to 5 other family members. Let me show you how. For purposes of this demo, we're going to be using 2 Google accounts, Alan and Alice. To be part of a Google One family, you don't need to be related. You just need to be in the same country, and you must not be a part of another Google One family. So first we're going to go to Alan's and show you his account. So here I am at one.google.com. I'm signed in with Alan's account. And when you click on storage, you'll see that Alan is paying for 100 gigabytes of storage. 100 gigabytes for $2 a month or $20 a year is the basic plan that gets you a Google One membership. He's not using much of it, so he can afford to share it with Alice. Let's look at Alice's Google One account. Here we are at one.google.com, signed in as Alice. When we click on storage, you'll see that she is using a fair amount. She's up to over 10 gigabytes total. Instead of get more storage, she's asking Alan to share his storage with her. To do that, Alan needs to set up a family. From one.google.com, signed in as Alan, you click on the settings gear, or you can go directly to one.google.com settings and manage family settings and click manage. Get started. This will make Alan the family manager. Create family group, and now we just need to invite Alice. You need to type in the email of the person to invite, but then you do need to select from the list in order for it to apply. And then you send. You will get an email when the family member accepts your invitation. So let's go see what Alice's email looks like. Here we are at Gmail, signed in with Alice's account, and it has an email, join Alan's family group. Alan wants you to join his group. All you have to do is accept invitation and get started. We're getting started with Alice's account. Welcome to the family, view family. And there are just 2 members of this family. The Google One family actually gets you more than just storage, but all we're talking about today is storage. So let's go look at one.google.com for Alice and storage. And it hasn't updated yet. There's one more step. Go to one.google.com, signed in as the family manager, Alan in this case. Click on the gear for settings, manage family settings, and turn on the share Google One with family. Now, when we go back to one.google.com, signed in as Alice, you'll see that storage has increased to 100 gigabytes.